Hello friends, this is your own Dr. Hema. I am Dean Homeopathy from Mumbai. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is a very common topic which is regularly asked is hair fall, hair loss. Why do we have this hair fall and how do we stop this hair loss? The question is whether we will be able to regrow this hair thinning and what should be done. So first, it is about females and males. In a very simpler way, I will discuss this and let you know what all things you can do at home to reduce this hair fall and whether it will be happening. Yes, it will be happening. So, first thing is what is hair fall and how do you consider whether it is hair loss? 50 to 100 strands per day is the normal hair growth cycle. So this much hair loss every day, that is 50 to 100 strands while washing, while combing, is very much normal. और क्या कर सकते हैं? अगर आप के हेयर फॉल इससे ज़्यादा है 300 to 500 strands, then it is a concern. तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, किनको ये हेयर फॉल ज़्यादा होता है? Nowadays, definitely in the male baldness, 25 years has also started the hair loss. So what is the problem और क्यों हो रहा है? In females, if it is during pregnancy, during childbirth, during menopause, and if they have various diseases like thyroid, hair fall is more. There is more of hair loss, there is thinning, there is less of growth. जो hair follicle है, it shrinks because of some infections in the scalp or because of some genetic causes. And the most common is the smoke, the dust, and the irritants which are there in the environment. So these are the causes. So what you can do? First thing, if you are doing all these things and still you have a hair fall, because if you do all these things, the hair fall will stop. Being a homeopathic doctor, the major questions that I have is the skin and the hairs, because homeopathy treatment is very helpful for this. But before you come to consult a doctor, I would like to give you a basic prevention tips which you can do at home. This is very quick and very helpful. So first thing is you have to regularly use a natural oil, regular oil, oiling the hairs. How many times do you need to wash the hairs? That is the question. So if you are a homemaker or if you have a work from home, you have to wash your hairs twice a week. If you are a working person and if you're traveling every day, if it is lot of sweat and dirt, if you feel lot of heat, that means definitely your hairs have lot of dirt inside. So please wash your hairs every day, or if not possible, wash your hairs every alternate day. Now the third thing is you have to trim your hairs. Trimming is basically from the tips of the hair. So what happens is after 6 to 8 weeks, that is 1.5 to 2 months, you need to trim the hairs, cut the hairs for the length, so that the split ends which are there, which stops for the hair growth, again gets a healthy hair and the regrowth starts from the hair follicles. Now, if it is a male balding, male, the first thing that I have noticed is in the temples. What is the temples? Temples is here. This part of the hair start receding back. And then the other part that is there is male type of balding. The center here, it starts hair loss. So what can be done? This is mostly due to genetics. But if it is coming as early as 25 years, you definitely need to do something of it. So basic things which I am telling are for both the females and the males. So you need to have a balanced healthy diet which includes more of zinc and biotin, because biotin is very good for hairs, which helps in producing collagen, which is very good for healthy hairs. Also, if you are tying the hairs or using various hairstyles, using some gels, you have to be careful about the harsh chemicals. And if you have any problem, or if you are tying the hairs very tightly, or if you're combing it very harshly, please do it very softly. So it's very important to use a healthy diet and proper regular hair care. That's called a hair care. When you have a self care, you also have a hair, which is a very important part of your body. So you need to, because that influence your looks, that influence your confidence. So be careful whether you're doing any of these mistakes. When you use a shampoo, use any shampoo that suits you according to your types of hair. You have thin hair, thick hair, brittle, whatever kinds of hairs, but you have to use one type of shampoo. Be consistent with it. Use one part of shampoo and use 3 parts of water, mix it and then use it directly to the hairs. Don't use it direct shampoo to the scalp. That can be damaging, because after all they are chemicals. It's a soap containing. So there you have to clean it with a mix of shampoo and soap. Use regular conditioner. Keep the hair clean. So these are the basic things that you can do at home. So avoid using more of hair dryers. Even if you are in a hurry to travel, don't use your scalp or expose your scalp to too much heat. If it is you using too much of heat or too much of chemicals, it is very much that your hairs will fall. And if you are going through some phase in your life which is menopause, or if you have some stress, try to combat that with using various things at home, that is meditation, and you can use proper care of diet. Even if then, if you see this, if you do this for 6 to 8 months and then year, and if your hair loss is still consistently the same, then you need to consult a doctor. Till then, if you have any queries regarding this topic of hair fall or hair loss, do let me know. Subscribe my channel for any further information and comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much.